Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Advik. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Where is Advik? Advik, where is Advik?
Ma'am, probably he will not join. Probably.
Why? What's the reason?
Ma'am, because he's sleeping right now and my mother is saying that I will make him join the class.
Okay. Fine. Today you had the school, right?
Yes, ma'am, but I didn't go.
Okay. Okay, no problem. We'll wait for some more time. For others also, Chiranjay and Advik Panchkula, they're also remaining. So till then, I'll just revise what we did when you were absent. So we have revised we have done the topic vitamins. Vitamin A, we have discussed vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin D. Vitamin E, they will be helping to fight against the infection. They are good for the eyesight. They maintain the heart, lungs, and the kidneys. And they also keeps our bones and teeth strong. So these are the different sources of vitamin A: salmon, milk, carrot, broccoli, and spinach. So if we do not take the vitamin A, then we will be getting a disease called as the night blindness. So that is why it is very important that in our diet, we should add this vitamin A. If we do not take it, then a disease will happen, which is called as night blindness. It means in the night time or in the dim light, we will not be able to see. Next one, it was the vitamin B. Vitamin B, it helps to maintain the functioning of the brain properly. It keeps our heart healthy. It maintains the body metabolism. Then they produces the RBC, red blood cells or the blood cells and the nervous system also. They are
Ma'am, what is
present
the meaning?
meaning of
Ma'am, what is the meaning of metabolism?
metabolism means whatever, the reactions which are happening in our body, all together they will join and they gives us the energy. So that is metabolism. That is why you might have heard it, like, to some of the child, that teachers will be saying that your metabolism is very high, and to some they will be saying your metabolism is low. So it means that the energy level is high, energy level is low. If it is high metabolism, it means energy level is high. If it is low metabolism, it means low energy level in them. Fine. So whatever the chemical reaction, it happens in our body. Because of those chemical reaction, we get the energy. So if we get the more energy, then we have the high metabolism. If we get the less energy, then it is low
No.
metabolism. Okay. Then the sources are crab, salmon, tuna, milk, and yogurt. So in this food we'll be getting. But if we do not take, then we will be getting the disease called as a beriberi. So if we do not take the vitamin B, I'll show you how basically the vitamin. Just 1 minute. Hmm. So the berry. I think my net is not working. So I think my net is not working properly. I'll show you how. Just let me try to connect with Dada. So, in this very, what happened? The person who get this disease due to deficiency of vitamin B, they will become so weak. They will not be able to breathe properly, or the heart rate will increase so much. The muscles will become weak for them. The bones will become weak for them. Then they will not be able to stand upright. They become so weak. So, if a person has the deficiency of vitamin B, they will be so weak in the through the body. Then vitamin C, they will be increasing the endurance. Endurance means to sustain actually, to keep us refreshed. So when you drink the orange juice, when you drink the lemon juice, automatically you feel refreshed. Or when you eat the mint, so you will feel the freshness. That is because of the vitamin C present in it. So automatically it increases the refreshing power of our body. It keeps the skin healthy. It also manages the blood pressure in our body. Then it prevents the iron deficiency. So in our body, we should take the iron so as to produce the hemoglobin or to produce the blood in our body. So that is the reason it is important to have vitamin C in our body. The food generally which contains the vitamin C are the oranges, mango, papaya, and the broccoli. Now, if we do not take the vitamin C, then we will get a disease called as a scurvy. Now, in this scurvy, what happened? That person who has this deficiency of vitamin C, from their gums, the bleeding will start. So generally, the bleeding will start from their gums. That is like happen in the scurvy. Then the last one, vitamin D, it will be helping to maintain the nervous system. It keeps our bones healthy. Then it controls the calcium level. Then phosphorus level also will be maintained by them. Then immune function again, it is like the metabolism in your body. So if you have the high rate, then it is your immune system will be working to fight against the disease. But if in your body the immune system is not working properly, it means that your body will not be able to fight properly. That is why we should have the vitamin D in our food. The sources from where we get them are the soya bean, milk, eggs, orange juice. And basically, if we do not take the vitamin D, then disease called as ricket will be there. In this ricket, what happened? The children, especially in the children, actually, all these diseases, most of them happen in the children only. So, in the children, the legs should be straight like this. But when they have the deficiency of vitamin D, the legs will bend like this. The legs, there for them, it will become like this. So, because of that, they will not be able to walk. So, they will get the bending legs. So, that is what happened in the vitamin D. So these are the different types of the diseases which happens actually in the person or in the children where they do not take the appropriate amount of the vitamins. So that is why vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, E, K, all the vitamins we should take in a proper amount. Am I clear, Ritvik?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So still the others have not joined, Chiranjay. We'll wait 2 minutes more, 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
And turn on your video, Advik. So you have your book with you?
No, ma'am. I'm busy.
Go and get it.
Ma'am, I brought my book.
Okay, till then, read the chapter. I think in your chapter, by the name food, it is there. What's the name of the chapter in your book?
Natural resources.
No, the chapter food will be there, na, somewhere. Food and health, or maybe food and hygiene, something like that. In semester 2 might be. Check out the index.
Ma'am, diseases is there.
Correct. So diseases, before the diseases, they might have explained you about the nutrients also, I guess. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read that till then. Okay.
A condition in which certain functions of the body get disturbed or some part of the body get damaged is called a disease.
So
Different types.
wait. So what happened? Like when we talk about the disease, normally when we are fit and fine, so we don't have any problem. We feel so comfortable. But as soon as any person they get the disease, then what happened? We become so uncomfortable. For example, like if someone get the cold. So during the cold time, will be always sneezing, we will be coughing, all those things we'll be doing, and we will be holding our nose with a handkerchief. So a kind of the comfort zone, we will not be there, right? We will be very uncomfortable. If we get the fever, then our body will start aching, right? So that is also uncomfortable, we will feel. But normally we do not feel that, right? So diseases are basically the word they themselves they say there. This means without, okay, and ease means comfort. So without comfort, this means without, and ease means comfort. So it's a kind of the condition where the person is like uncomfortable or is not comfortable. So that condition is called as, it can be like in the any form. It can be any form. So Advik has joined now. Advik, turn on your video. How are you, Advik? Have you revised the vitamin topic?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Okay. Advik, few things you need to take care of. The first thing is your handwriting. Okay, Advik? Handwriting, you should write very, very neatly. Okay? Second thing, when you write, you should always use a copy which has the line on it. Okay? So whenever you write the test, make sure that you write the test in a copy where you have the lines. Okay? What happened when you write on those copies, then your handwriting will come fine. Okay? Third thing, you have to work on the spelling also. Right? Do you know this, that you do so many mistakes in the spelling?
Yes.
Do you know this? Right. So what you should do, if you are not able to understand that, you know what, you can break it. Okay, you can break it and then learn it. Like for example, photosynthesis spelling, you have written it wrong. So what you can do, you know the word photosynthesis, right? Say the word photosynthesis. Say the no, only word. Word you have to say. Photosynthesis. Say it.
Photosynthesis.
Okay. Now say it slowly. Pho,
Pho,
to,
to,
sin,
sin,
the,
the,
the, the, sis.
sis.
Okay. So when you are not aware of the spelling, what you should do, break it into the pieces. So when you say it slowly, you also write it slowly, right? Photo, pho, pho, to, to, sin, syn. So like this, you should break it and then learn it. Okay. So I'll give you a few spellings today, Advik. Okay, you should write those spellings five times. Okay, and then learn them. Okay, fine. So in the last class, we have discussed about the vitamins. Now I'll be showing you a very, very interesting video which has the nutrients, talking about all the nutrients, whatever we have discussed till now. Okay, listen to the video carefully and then I'll be asking you the questions from it. Okay, both Advik? Okay, fine. Let me share the screen and let me know whether it is visible or not.
Okay, ma'am.
Is the screen visible?
No, ma'am.
No. Wait, let me share again then in that case. Now is it visible, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll just play the video, listen to that carefully.
Hello again, viewers. We all know that the food we eat often provides us with essential nutrients. In this video, we're going to talk about the 6 basic nutrients that you can get from food and their functions.
Okay, Advik Panchkula, tell me what are the different nutrients? What are the name of the nutrients, Advik?
Protein,
Very good.
vitamin,
Yes, very good then.
carbon dioxide,
Not carbon dioxide. What is carbon dioxide? It is a gas, okay? It's a gas which we released when we breathe, right? So we take the oxygen gas inside and we release the carbon dioxide gas outside, okay? It is a carbohydrate. Okay, after then, carbohydrate then? The fourth one?
minerals,
Yes, very good. Then one more. So carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. These are the 5 nutrients. And apart from that, Advik Singh, what are the 2 more important things we required?
ma'am, water and roughage.
Very good. Water and roughage we required. So let me play the video now.
Let's get started with the nutrient which dominates more than 60% of our body. Water. Even if you decide to go on a diet and not eat any more proper meals, you can still survive. Although you won't make it without water. For every organ of your body to work properly, it needs water. This liquid helps your brain function and cleanses your body of toxins. The cells in your body stay hydrated because of water. Apart from that, water also helps in the process of digestion.
So
If
whatever
you're
we are eating, basically, that will be getting digested with the help of the water. So that is why the water is the most important nutrient we require on a daily basis, right? We can survive without food, but we cannot survive without water. With the help of the water, we will be able to do all the functionings of the body.
someone who doesn't drink water regularly, you might find yourself constipated more often than not.
So when you don't drink enough of water, what happens? See, there are so many, disadvantage when we do not drink the water. What happen when you go to the washroom? Like, that day I and Advik, we have discussed both of them. Like, we do not go to the washroom, then we will not be releasing the human excreta. Do you know what is human excreta? Right? Do you know what is human excreta? Advik, both Adviks?
No, ma'am.
Human excreta is basically, we call it as potty, right? So if we do not drink enough of water, then what happen? We will not be able to release the human excreta easily out of our body. Okay, so we will feel that something is there in our stomach and we are not able to remove it out, right? So that is why it is important that we should drink enough of water, and then only we will be able to release the human excreta, so which is the potty, right? In the morning time we will be going to the washroom, we have to remove that out. So that is done only with the help of water. So water will be helping. Second thing, when we drink enough of water, what happens? Automatically our skin will glow, right? So we have the skin, we have the face, we have the the skin on our face, also on the whole body has a skin. So when we drink water, our skin will shine, our skin will glow, right? Right? So that is like a natural kind of thing, we should do it. But artificially what we are doing, we are applying the cream and all, and we are making it shine, right? Rather than that, what we can do, we can drink sufficient amount of the water which is required by the body, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, Advik?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, so now it's just like, I always say keep a water bottle with you, and after every 15 minutes take a sip of the water. So when you take the sip of the water, you get energy, you get a little energy to do the work.
If you aren't drinking water properly, you'll end up becoming dehydrated. That's not good for your body, as it can affect its mental and physical performance. Not drinking enough water can also make you feel tired and reduce
So
your
that's what sometimes when we do not drink water, we feel so tired. But as soon as we drink water, we feel energetic.
ability to concentrate. Vitamins. The basic function of these nutrients is to keep away diseases and keep you healthy. Without a healthy dose of vitamins, it would be difficult for your body to fight microorganisms. While there are about 13 types of vitamins that your body needs, 4 of them are extremely essential. These are vitamin A, B6, C, and D.
So already we have discussed about these vitamins, right? Vitamins are required to keep away the diseases. So when we get the fever, when we get the cold, when we get the sneezing, so we will not be getting this. So for that, what we should do, we should take the kind of the fruits or the vegetables which has the vitamins in it.
4 vitamins play an important role in your body. In case you aren't getting enough of these vitamins, you might face some problems. For example, lack of vitamin B6 can cause your blood pressure to lower uncontrollably. Similarly, lack of other vitamins may cause skin problems, vision problems, and weakness.
So if we do not take the vitamin A, then we will not be able to see in the night time. Then if we do not take the vitamin B, then what happened? We'll be feeling so weak, so tired. And then if we do not take the vitamin C, then our gums will start bleeding. And if we do not take vitamin D, then the legs will become bent. That is why all the vitamins we should take in the appropriate amount.
On the other hand, having enough vitamins in your body would mean that you'll have a healthy immune system. The risks of getting lung and prostate cancer would also reduce with the proper intake of vitamins. Additionally, vitamins also have high levels of antioxidant properties that are good for your body. What's more, it's been found that vitamins play an important role in longevity of a human being. Protein. This is the nutrient that gets the most hype.
So these proteins are very, very important. Advik, can you tell me, Advik Panchula, can you give me any example of protein in your diet which you take? Huh? Which food or which kind of the source you will be getting the protein in your body? Are you eating the dal on daily basis, pulses, dal? So those dals are having what? They have the proteins in them. Okay. Dals have the protein, then you have the milk. Milk also has a protein. Egg has protein in it. So fish, they have the protein in it. So they are the different sources of protein. All right. So those proteins are important because when we eat them, then what happens? We will grow and develop. So growth and development will be there because of this protein. And that is why, you feel like sometimes you are growing. Your dresses are becoming small. Your dresses are not becoming small. The thing is, you are growing. That is why for you, those dresses have become small, right? So proteins are important for the growth and development of our body. So each and everything, your bones, your muscles, your skin, your hair, everything requires what they require, the proteins for their development. So basically, the proteins are the type of the molecules which has the amino acids in them. So amino acids are what? They are the molecules of the proteins which help in the growth and development of our body. Fine. So Advik, what is the function of protein?
Ma'am, me?
Yeah, Advik, tell me. Advik Singh.
Ma'am, protein are also called bodybuilding food because they help us to become strong.
They help us in growth and development. For becoming strong, that will be your vitamin. Okay, they will be fighting against the diseases and they make you strong. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Homework for tomorrow, I'll just explain you. Fine. What you should do tomorrow when you come for the class, just come on time, first of all. Today, I think Advik Singh, you have joined a little late, and Advik Panchula, you should join by 5:50. Okay. So, what you should do tomorrow, before joining the class, you have to sit with a plate. Okay. You have to sit with a plate. And that plate, what happened, Advik Singh? To whom you are talking with?
No one, ma'am.
Someone is there. That's what you are seeing and laughing. Okay, so you should sit with a plate, and that plate should contain the any one food item of carbohydrate, any one food item of vitamin, any one food item of protein, any one food item of minerals, and any one food item of fats. Okay, it should have five these nutrients in the plates. At the same time, a glass of water should also be there. Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Advik, you need to unmute yourself. Okay, Advik is saying okay. Advik, at the same time, both of you and Advik saying you should inform your brother also, okay, about that. And at the same time, whatever the things or whatever the food you are keeping in your plate, you should explain me. You should explain, for example, if for the carbohydrate, you have kept one potato or maybe rice. So you should tell me that this food is rice and it has the carbohydrate, and the function of the carbohydrate is to give the energy. So name of the food, then name of the nutrients it has, and what is the function of that you should say. Okay. So three things you should explain: name of the food, then the name of the nutrients present in it, and name of and the function of that nutrient. So potato, if you're keeping, you should say it is a potato. It has a carbohydrate in it, and the main function of the carbohydrate is to give energy. Okay? Understood, both of you?
Yes.
Fine. So tomorrow in the plate, 6 nutrients should be there. 5 major nutrients and along with the water.
Okay, ma'am.
Anything else, both of you?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Advik Singh, you can leave. And Advik Panchgla, you be here.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Okay. Advik, I'll just show you your answer sheet, okay? How you have written yesterday's test. I'll show you. You should, work on the spellings. Okay. I'll just share my screen. Can you see, Advik, my screen? See, you got out of 15, you got 12.5 marks, which is very good actually. But what you need to do, you have to work on the spelling. See, the spelling of chicken you have written wrong. Chicken. Okay. The spelling of vegetable you have written wrong. Then photosynthesis spelling you have written wrong. Okay. Then one answer is wrong here. So spellings you need to work. If you work on the spelling, definitely you will get very good marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood what you should do? You should work on the spellings. So every day from your book, you take 5 difficult spelling and then write it. Okay. And then send the spellings to me, okay, for the correction. 5 times, 5 spellings. It will take only, 10 minutes to write it.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So today onwards, you will be starting to write 5 spellings. Vegetable, carbohydrates, proteins, chicken, and photosynthesis. Or any 5 spelling from the book, you can write it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay then, Advik. Fine. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye-bye. And tomorrow join on time, Advik.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Advik. Bye-bye.